Hello, Candace with Candace Commercial coming to you guys today with video 2 of our industrial series. So in the first video, we discussed the basics of an industrial property, some of the characteristics of an industrial property, and property types. In those property types, we covered manufacturing, we covered warehouse distribution, and flex. So today, we're just going to go right on into what a manufacturing space is. Let's talk about it. Your manufacturing spaces are basically used simply for that, manufacturing. This is the process or the facility used for the conversion of raw materials or partly wrought materials that are then turned into goods or services. You have two subsets when it comes to manufacturing industrial spaces. Those subsets are going to be your light to heavy industrial. Your square footage is going to vary when it comes to this property type. It just really depends on the needs of your business operations and what you need to accommodate your business operations. They will have loading doors or docks, which what we call dock high doors or grade level doors. There is a difference in that. Your dock high doors are going to be where your delivery trucks can pretty much just bag right on into that space and unload any goods or services that you're going to need for your company. The grade level doors are basically like if you have delivery trucks or vans for your company, or maybe another partner that you do business with is coming in and they may need somewhere to park their vehicle. So these grade level doors are great for parking company vehicles in as well. Your square foot ratio will vary again when it comes to your manufacturing spaces. Your office percentage will probably be less than 20%. This is going to be more on your flex side, which we'll definitely get into later. Your vehicle parking ratio also will vary. It's going to depend on the employees that you have. Again, your business operation needs, parking needs for the company, etc. The most important thing, though, that you want to note for this property type is going to be your truck turning radius. It needs to be at least 130 feet for those trucks that we discussed earlier to be able to get in and out of your property or facility space. Location is also going to be very important. We'll dive deeper into location when we start talking about logistics and things of that nature when it comes to your industrial property. So again, this is Candace with Candace Commercial. Thank you guys for your time. Again, if you want updates and you want to be notified when we come with our new videos in our series, or just current events, whatever it is related to industrial property, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Candace Commercial. Thank you guys for your time. I'm logging off.